Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be playing in my little art journal book that I've made, and I have got my page covered in gesso. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. All right, I'm just going to put down some color here, and first I want to spray my page so that the watercolor can kind of move around. So I'm going to start off with some yellow. I can get my yellow to going. I hope everybody is doing good. I am doing good. This is the first time I've tried doing the watercolors in this, so I'm hoping it'll be all right. And I think I want some teal. I'm just playing, I'm just having fun. Letting the colors kind of go where they want to go. May have to add a little more water. Maybe go with a little darker. Let's see, maybe a little violet. Let everything kind of move where it wants to go. I like that. So now I am going to dry this and I'll be back. All right, it is pretty dry. I like the way it looks. And now, this was inspired, and I cannot think of her name. I am so sorry. But I had just seen this on YouTube, and she was talking about doing backgrounds. It's kind of, it's inspired partly by Know It Art, and I can't remember who else. I am so sorry. But I want to get down some of this. I've got this crackle stamp, so I want to get down some of that. And I have got this text stamp, and I want to just get a little bit of it down. Of course, we've got the text that's already in the background. I realized I wasn't saying much, so I decided to speed up the video and just do voiceover. And I used my little coffee ring, and I used the coffee ground espresso to add in, and also some teal dots. And I'm using permanent ink because it really works good because I don't want it to run if I end up adding any more water. Now I'm using my Posca paint pen, and I'm just going to do some little doodles and draw some little flowers and different things like that, just to have fun. That's all I'm doing is playing in this art journal. That's what it's for, and just have fun doing that. So I'm just going to let you watch me, and if I need to say anything, I'll be back. These are alcohol markers that I'm using here, and they worked really well. I didn't want that strong harsh of the paint. Now, I will use my white paint pens, but these are just alcohol markers, and I like the look that it gave. I'm just embellishing with the small white paint pen, just to give a little dimension to my leaves. Here I realized that I did not clip between the antenna, and I hate fussy cutting, I have to be honest with you. But if you want your pages to look good, you really need to make the effort to try to fussy cut as much as you can. I know it's not fun. It can be very hard and time consuming, but it really makes a difference to your pages. Here we go. I'm so sorry. My phone, the storage was up, and I don't know, my notifications, like when it's full or cutting off, it's not dinging like it usually does. And I have my sound on, so I don't know what's going on. But anyway, the only thing I did is I went around my butterflies with my Stabila All and came back behind and, just smeared it with my water brush. And I added antenna on these butterflies that didn't have one. And I embellished my butterflies because I wanted them to go with my page and kind of stand out a little bit more. Some of these butterflies are when I first started doing junk journals, and I didn't know the difference in paper, so they're not very, I just did it on regular cardstock, and they just don't show up as bright. So I embellished my butterflies with gel pens and paint pens. I did the center and around the edge of this butterfly, and then used the gel pen and just different things like that. And I used my glitter gel pens, which gave it a little bit of sparkle. I hope you can see that. I signed it. I didn't sign it, but I dated it. And this was a lot of fun. I've got to go back and learn. I used to do these with fodder, and I forgot a lot of what I had used to do. So I need to go back and relearn some of my doodling. So, but this was a lot of fun. It was just nothing but just play, and that is a good thing. So I hope you enjoyed the video, the parts of the video you got to see, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Pull out an old notepad or something and just have fun playing in it with art. And the more you play, the better you get. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.